Hello. Students, last we have discussed probability, conditional probability we have discussed. We have discussed independency of two event. Also we have discussed mutual exclusive if the events are, and one of the conditions that we have discussed if the events are mutual exhaustive. How we can solve these problems according to the given system. Now we will take some of the questions related to the 13.1 exercise. Students, I have already told one of the questions that arise from the 13.1 in your exam. Another question that will be from the 13.2 on behalf of dependency, independency, and the one of the question that is to be belongs from 4 marks is to be from 13.3 or 13.4. There are 3 questions is to be based on this exercise. Let's come some example. One of the question of 13.1 exercise that I have taken, given P of E, that is probability of an event, that is given 0.6, and probability of event F, that is also given, that is equal to 0.3, and the P E intersection F, that is also given, which is equivalent to the 0.2. A question is that find E upon F, find E over F and E F over E. There are 2 questions in a single question. So students, we have discussed the question, the formula of this is event, probability of an event E whenever F has already occurred is described by probability of E intersection F divided by probability of event F. This is the formula for E upon F, whereas the formula for F upon E, which is equivalent to the probability of E intersection F divided by probability of an event, right? So guys, the data which is required is given, intersection the probability of an event E, that is given, which should be required here for solving this, and the intersections probability that is given here. We should place both the things is to here and solve. This is again E upon F. The intersection is given and F is also given. So place them. Probability of intersection is 0.2 and probability of event F is 0.3. On simplification we are getting 2 upon 3. Whereas same here 0.2 is the probability of intersection, where the probability of event E is that is 2 upon 6, which is implies 1 upon 3. So these 2 questions will be solved on behalf of this, right? Now come on next question. This is the question 1. One of the student is to be asking one problem that I will solve here. There is the fx is given mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 2. During video, some of the students they are facing the problem. One of the student is to be posted this problem on WhatsApp. तो स्टूडेंट यहाँ पूछा क्या गया था, एग्जामिन द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. तो सबसे पहले आपको देखना है कि कंटिन्यूटी की एग्जामिनेशन कौन से पॉइंट्स पर की जाएगी. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू मेक द इंटरवल ऑन विच वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स दिस कंटिन्यूटी इज टू बी एग्जामिन्ड. तो फर्स्ट मैंने आपको कहा था कि वेन एवर द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द मॉडुलस देन वी हैव टू ब्रेक इट वेयर दिस मैग्नीट्यूड इज टू बी 0 ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ पर्टिकुलर एक्स. तो हमने ये पता लगाना है सबसे पहले कि दिस वैल्यू बिकम्स 0 ऑन द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. तो ये कौन सी एक्स की वैल्यू पर दिस इज टू बी 0, दैट इज एक्स इक्वल 1, और ये कौन सी वैल्यू पर 0 रिजल्ट देगा, दैट इज एक्स इक्वल 2. नाउ वी हैव टू मेक द इंटरवल. वी विल दिस इज टू बी ब्रेक ऑन 3 वैल्यूज. 1 is less than 1, 1 is equal than 1 or 1 is greater 1. Same, this is also expressed in the three concept less than 2, equal to or greater to. Now we will expand this function on these interval and also on these values. Start on these x less than 1. तो मैंने आपको मैग्नीट्यूड की ओपनिंग भी बताई थी कि मैग्नीट्यूड की ओपनिंग कैसे होगी. आपको जब कहा जाता कि एफ एक्स इक्वल मोड ऑफ एक्स, तो दिस इज टू बी ओपन लाइक दैट वेन एवर दिस इज एक्स इज ग्रेटर इक्वल 0 एंड एक्स इज लेस देन 0, दिस विल बी ओपन बाय लाइक दैट. तो सिमिलरली वी विल ओपन दिस वेन एवर एक्स इज लेस देन 1. जब आप एक से स्मॉल कोई वैल्यू यहां प्लेस करेंगे तो दिस इनसाइड term will result into negative, right? Whenever this gives the result negative, then this magnitude is to be removed by taking minus outside of the given algebraic expression. Then plus again we will substitute here less than 1, then this algebraic expression result into negative, right? Whenever this gives negative, this will be opened by again outside minus and remain same. So it is to be right same, and it is resulted like that. So the function is minus 2x plus 3 whenever x is less than 1. Whenever x is 1, whenever x is 1, 1 के केस में आपको क्या करना है, जब यहाँ 1 लिखते हो रिजल्ट क्या आ रहा है 0, जब यहाँ 1 लिखते हो देन इट गिव्स नेगेटिव, देन नेगेटिव इज टू बी ओपनड बाय x. आपने क्या लिखा 1 लिखा, पहले वाले में 1 लिखा 0 आ गया, 0 के केस में आपको सेम राइट करना है, राइट. दिस गिव्स नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव के केस में आउटसाइड नेगेटिव अप्लाई करना है और सिंप्लीफाइड कर देना है. क्या आ गया x से x कैंसिल हो गया, +2 -1, देन रिजल्ट इज 1. ठीक है. Whenever x is greater than 1, तो एफ एक्स क्या होगा, दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 1, दिस ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. Whenever inside of magnitude is positive value, then the result is to be right same, but this is to be again there is a condition 1 greater than 1, पर this should be restrict the interval. और किस लिमिट में रेस्ट्रिक्शन है कि हमें 2 से up to 2, before 2 we have to block it. So now this interval is to be written like that, x is greater than 1 and less than 2. Now this is written greater 1 but less 2, then negative is to be written like that, and it should be written 1, right? X is cancelled by x's, both of them is to be included, and this is to be written again whenever x is less than equal 1 and less than 2, then the fx is क्या आएगा 1. दोनों रिजल्ट को कंक्लूड कर लिया. whenever x is equal 1 or greater 1 or less than 2, the fx is always 1, right? Now we will expand on, there are 2 cases are now pending whenever x is 2 or greater than 2. To include them, because whenever 2 is to be substituted it gives positive, whenever 2 is to be substituted it gives 0, then it is same. Whenever the greater 2 value is to be substituted, that gives also positive value. In case we can consider both the cases at a moment. तो fx क्या आ गया, the fx is 2 or greater to positive, right same. 2 or greater to positive, right same, then the fx is 2x minus 3. there are different fx, right है. अब हम क्या करते हैं, इस fx को यहाँ डिस्क्राइब कर देते हैं ऑन इंटरवल. दिस fx इक्वल whenever x is less than 1, तो fx कितना आया -2x + 3. ठीक है. जब आपने x1 कहा और इस केस को आपने क्लब कर लिया, देन द रिजल्ट इज रिटर्न देयर, दैट इज ऑन 1 इट गिव्स 1. whenever x is greater equal to, the result is 2x minus 3. So these function is to be written like that. Now come on question. अब करना क्या था? We have to examine the continuity, right? क्या करना था? Examine the continuity. तो continuity examine करनी है तो process is to be, we have to check the left limit, we have to check the right limit, we have to calculate the value at the given point. If all three for any function of a particular x value, if they are equal, then the function to be continuous at the given x value. Now we will check at x equal 1. कहाँ चेक कर रहे हैं? 1 पे. तो LHL that is like that, and the RHL that is limit 1 plus of fx, and that is equivalent to the limit x tends to 1 of x. If all are equal, then we will say the function is to be continuous at x equal 1. Now come on the point, left limit LHL, limit x tends to 1 minus, the function is to be write this minus of 2x plus 3. In next step you should write limit x tends to 0, and this x is to be substituted by 1 minus h plus 3. Now you have to place the h equals to 0, then simplification you are getting minus 2 plus 3, that is equivalent to the plus 1. H is substituted 0. Same right hand limit. If you calculate RHL, limit x tends to 1 plus, the result is 1. Now the result is 1. At x equal 1, limit x tends to 1 f of x, that is equivalent to the limit x tends to 1 fx is 1, that is the 1. All three cases, if it gives the result that is same 1 1 1, then the function is known as continuous at x equal 1. Students, in a similarly you will examine that how it should be continuous at x equal 2, is it or not, exactly you should do. Understood this question? Now come on our topic. तो देखो, जो स्टूडेंट वर्क कर रहा है, इफ ही इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम सम ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम, देन ही कैन पोस्ट ऑन व्हाट्सएप व्हेनेवर वी विल एग्जामिन इट, whether the problem is to be like that, then we will consider this problem in our video and we will try to solve. So it's very easy for understanding to you, and also I understood that you are doing work with us, so absolutely this is the vice versa. So again we are taking our one of the question related to the probability. One of the question is given P A union B, that is equivalent to the evaluate, that is to be finding, और डाटा क्या दिया गया, 2 probability of A equal probability of B equal 5/13, that is given, and the probability A over B that is also given, and which is equivalent to 2/5. Now finding is this, right? From these two data we will calculate the probability of intersection of A and B. We know that. First यहाँ से आप probability of A calculate करें, 2 probability of A equal 5/13, then the probability of A equal 5/26, exactly it is. Now the probability of B that is given in the question, that is equivalent to the 5/13. Now by the conditional probability we know that if A upon B is calculated, it should be written like that, like, ठीक है, क्या क्या दिया गया, this is given, this is given. Now we will calculate the P A intersection B. P A intersection B equal P A by B into P B, right है, सॉल्व कर दो. P A intersection B equal P B into P A by B. The values are to be substituted here, 5/13 multiply A intersection B, that is a by b, that is given 2 by 5, the result is 2 by 13. ठीक है, a intersection भी कैलकुलेट हो गया. Now we will calculate the union. I have already told whenever P A union B is calculated, the formula, that is the probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. Now the values of probability of A we know, that is 5 over 26. Probability of B, that we know, 5 over 13, minus probability of A intersection B, that we have calculated 2 over 13. The result is 5 over 26 plus, that is 3 over 13. Now again we should take the LCM, 26 plus 6, then the 11 by 26 is the answer. Exact it is. To all you should be clear this question. Twice probability of A equal this. Now solve probability of A, and probability of B is given. Now by which we can calculate the intersection, that is this, and again by the property of set we can use this and calculate the probability of A intersection A union B. Next, question, there is a one of the question कहा गया find probability E over F. ये आपको फाइंडिंग है. और क्या कहा गया, ए कॉइन इज टॉस, ए कॉइन इज टॉस्ड हाउ मच टाइम्स, 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times, and there are 2 different events. E is given head on third toss, head on third toss, and the F is given, that is head on first 2 toss, head on first 2 toss. So students, we have to find out E over F, that is our finding, and the coin is tossed 3 times. The total sample space, that first you have to describe like that. कौन से होंगे, कॉइन कितनी बार टॉस किया, 3 times. इट मीन्स आउटकम्स ऑफ ए 3 कॉइन, दैट आर 8, राइट. क्या क्या होंगे, हेड, राइट, हेड, राइट, हेड और हेड. ठीक है, फिर कॉमा, हेड टेल, टेल हेड, हेड हेड, टेल टेल. फिर टी के साथ लेंगे हेड टेल, टेल हेड, टेल हेड हेड और टेल टेल टेल. दीज 8 आउटकम्स इनटू द सैंपल स्पेस ऑफ ए 3 कॉइन, राइट. नाउ द इवेंट ई, दैट इज गिवन. हमें ई के सैंपल स्पेस आउटकम्स अब इस सैंपल स्पेस से जनरेट करने हैं. हेड ऑन थर्ड टॉस, हेड ऑन थर्ड टॉस. नाउ हेड ऑन थर्ड टॉस, head on third toss, head on third toss. These 4 outcomes that consider into event E. Number 1, clear, THS, that is the event E complete. Event F, क्या कहा गया, head on first 2 tosses, head on first 2 tosses, head on first 2 tosses, head on first 2 tosses. No, these 2 outcomes is to be considered into event F. Now for E upon F we should require the P or E upon F, that is describe P E intersection F over PF. Now intersection between E and F, ये भी आप कैलकुलेट कर लें. तो कौन सा आउटकम कॉमन है दोनों में, एच एच एच, दिस इज द कॉमन. एनी अदर एच एच टी, नो, ओनली सिंगल आउटकम इज कॉमन इन आउट ऑफ ई एंड एफ. नाउ वी शुड डिस्क्राइब द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ दीज इवेंट्स. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट एफ, दैट इज कितनी है, 2 आउटकम है, टोटल आउटकम कितने थे, 8, or probability of E intersection F, that is 1 by 8. First one outcome is there out of 8 outcomes. So this is to required for solving the question. Yes. Now there are two data which should required, we should place here. Now solve it. तो exactly answer क्या आ गया? E intersection F is 1 by 8 over 2 by 8. 8 it is cancelled. The result is 1 by 2. That is the answer of this question. Understood this question? तो students question को proper पढ़ना है. Number 1. Second thing, क्या finding है और क्या given है? What is to be given in the question and what you have to find, that is to be mentioned in your question booklet. Thereafter, related formula which is required you have to mention there. Start the question. First, total sample space of the given particular article you have to mention in your notebook. Thereafter, you have to make the event E. Describe it from the sample space. Again, event F. Describe it from the sample space. And what is the exactly common in E and F, that is also described here like that. Thereafter, in formula what is to be required, you calculate these two things. If E by F is to be asking in the question, then place it is in the formula and solve it. Students, clear this question? I think, hope this will be exactly clear in your mind. Similarly, you have to solve different questions. Next question 1 we take from the 13.1. यहाँ कहा गया E at least 2 had 8 outcomes are same. तो वो मुझे अब वापस बनाने हैं. अब प्रॉपरली जब भी एट लीस्ट की बात की जाती है, मीनिंग क्या होता है, जिस लिमिट पे कहा जाता है. यहाँ कहा गया एट लीस्ट 2 हैड. सपोज 2 हैड, इसका मीनिंग क्या हो गया? आउट ऑफ दीज 8 आउटकम. ठीक है, 8 आउटकम बनेंगे. कितने? 3 कोइन आउटकम्स हैं. टोटल आउटकम्स आर 8. Out of these 8 outcomes, you consider those outcomes who are having at least 2. Meaning है, consider those outcomes who are having 2 head as well as 3 head. Understood this? Start from this and up to the benchmark. Last limit जो है वहाँ तक आपको consider करना है. तो 2 हेड के आउटकम भी आएंगे और 3 हेड के आउटकम भी आएंगे. और अब आपके इसमें जो 8 आउटकम्स आपने बनाए थे वो एक बार आप यहाँ बना लें तो आपको ईजी हो जाएगा वर्क करना, कोई दिक्कत ही नहीं आएगी. सेम टी के साथ ले लें और सेम टी. अब इसने कहा एटलीस्ट 8 आउटकम से कितने? 2 हेड के आउटकम लेने हैं. 2 हेड का आउटकम कौन सा? कम से कम 2 और मैक्सिमम कितना? 3. ठीक है, राइट है. दीज 4 आउटकम एटलीस्ट 2, मीनिंग स्टार्ट विथ 2 एंड गो अप टू द लिमिट. जहाँ पर उसकी लिमिट एंड होती है वहाँ तक जाना आपको. तो कितने हेड है? मैक्सिमम 3. तो 3 हेड तक के आउटकम्स आपको कंसिडर करने हैं. तो दीज 4 आउटकम्स विल बी इन द इवेंट ई. फिर इवेंट एफ में कहा एट मोस्ट 2 हेड. एट मोस्ट 2 हेड. एट मोस्ट 2 हेड मीनिंग होता है मैक्सिमम 2. देन यू गो बियॉन्ड टू द 2, कंसिडर 1 एंड विदाउट हेड. तो पहले 2 हेड कंसिडर कर लोगे आप. तो 2 हेड में आपका आएगा 1, ये 1 आ जाएगा इसमें. ठीक है, 2 हेड में ये भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है, 2 हेड में ये भी आ जाएगा. इसके बाद 1 हेड. 1 हेड में कौन आ रहा है आपका? 1 हेड में ये आ जाएगा, राइट. फिर 1 हेड में ये भी आ जाएगा. फिर 1 हेड में ये भी आएगा. और नो हेड भी कंसीडर करना है. These 7 outcome that is to be into 2 head, right? At most 2 head, maximum 2, but the minimum it should be 0. Out of these we will consider the common outcome and the certain probability should be described in a proper manner. Understood this question? So in a same manner you have to solve 13.1 exercise. Students, you do with the regular practice. You required a hard practice that should be completed your work, your task, whatever is given. One of the question that is given, different questions are there, so properly read it and solve it in a proper manner. तो स्टूडेंट्स आप वर्क प्रॉपर करें, नंबर 1 क्वेश्चन को प्रॉपर रीड करें, उसके टोटल सैंपल स्पेस ड्रॉ करें, देर आफ्टर इवेंट ई इवेंट एफ को डिस्क्राइब करें, उनके आउटकम्स बनाएं और फिर कॉमन के आउटकम्स को डिस्क्राइब करें. Thereafter write the formula and thereafter place these values of this probability into the question. Thank you very much.